Welcome to one of Asia's largest embroidery units, powered by SWM machines. Located in Lahore, Pakistan, this facility operates hundreds of SWM embroidery machines and producing premium, domestic, and export standard embroidery, all under one roof. Each SWM machine delivers fast, precise stitching with smooth and stable output, ensuring consistent quality across every bulk order. With advanced SWM technology, this unit sets a new benchmark for embroidery excellence worldwide. Across Pakistan and abroad, many embroidery factories are running successfully with SWM machines. SWM provides complete arrangements and end-to-end embroidery solution. From small-scale setups to large-scale industrial units.